Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to turn on the flashlight on your iPhone or iPad. So the first thing you should do is swipe down from the top right hand corner. This should bring up the control center where you should see this picture of the little flashlight. You want to press this to turn the flashlight on. To change the brightness, you want to press and hold it, and you can change the brightness of your flashlight. If you don't see this flashlight icon, then you want to head into your settings, then come down slightly and select control center, and torch should be in the top here. If it's not, you want to look for it below here and press the little green icon, and it should be added into your control center. So that's how to turn on your flashlight on your iPhone. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.